Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing on a software which is being more frequently downloaded on the internet. So I'll be discussing about around 15 softwares which are getting downloaded more frequently on the internet, and most of the people would be using this software across the world, across the internet. And this is very interesting topic I will be covering in this video. I will be covering all these 15 popular softwares which are getting downloaded each and every day, and which is these softwares are getting downloaded on the millions times on the internet across the globe. So before get to know which are those 15 softwares which are getting downloaded across the globe, if you guys are not subscribed to our channel, then please click on subscribe and bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. So let us go and understand which are those 15 softwares which are getting downloaded every day on the internet and which are very popular on the internet. The most popular software which is getting downloaded in the online space is YouTube downloader. So basically, all the videos which are stored in the YouTube, if you can see, right, there are many videos, plenty of videos which are available in the YouTube platform. And if you would like to download any videos which is available in the YouTube, you can use so many softwares which are available, but this is one of the best tools which is available. YTD video downloader, it is one of the best and high quality YouTube video downloader which is available. If you can see, right, there are more than 2 lakh of users across the world is already being used this tool, right? Even I tried earlier. This tool looks to be, this tool is very good, and which is one of the best tool which is available, and which is also completely a virus free software which you can also use. So using this software, which is not only YouTube video downloader, you can also download any videos across other platforms also. If you can see, right, there are many platforms we have. So we have many platforms we have where you can also download the videos from those platforms as well. And this is one of the one-stop place where you can download all your videos from various channels from the YouTube platform or any other video platforms. You can download the files in MP4, MKV, M4A, MP3, AV format. So this is one of the best tool which is YouTube downloader, where everybody prefers. This goes in million searches every day in YouTube downloader. So if you can see here, right, if you are going and seeing in the Google Trends, so this is one of the top searchable keywords, YouTube downloader, which is a top searchable keywords which is available in the Google Trends, and which is also one of the favorite searching keywords which normally used by many people to download the videos from those platforms. So this is the number one software normally everybody is trying to download into their PCs or mobile phones. So second software which is most downloaded software across the world is WinRAR. WinRAR is the second highest software which is being downloaded. Normally, this software being used to compress the files or encrypt the files, packages or backup with just one utility. If you can see, right, there are over 500 millions of users has already been downloaded this software. If you can imagine, this is available across Windows platforms, and also over 50 languages it supports, and it also supports across various operating system as well. This is the second largest software being downloaded across the globe. And if you can see the trend, searchable trend, if you can see, is almost all the time which is touching more than 70%. If you can see, right, this keyword which is mostly searchable keywords and the top searchable keywords on the internet. The third software which is getting downloaded more frequently, which is Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is a third largest or most popular software which is getting downloaded on the internet. And also, if you can see, the search time is also very high for the Adobe readers. If Adobe Reader, if you guys all aware, this is a software which is used to view the PDF. So this is the software to view the PDF, to print, sign, or whatever, right? So this is the free software. And the fourth software which is getting popularly downloaded on the internet, which is Google Chrome. So Google Chrome is the fourth top software which is getting downloaded on the internet. And if you can see in the Google Trend also, if you can see, right, which is more than 50% of the time this software which is getting downloaded across every day across the world. Fifth top software which is getting downloaded on the internet, which is Audacity. So basically the Audacity is a audio editors and which is a open source software and which is being used across the globe. And there are many people like musicians, YouTubers, video editors. Everybody uses this audio editor, and with this tool is very awesome. And this tools comes with lot of features, and again this is completely open source. The most of the people they uses Audacity for audio editing purposes. The sixth software which is popularly getting downloaded on the internet, which is 7-Zip. 7-Zip, which is used to file archive with a high compression rate. This is one of the top downloadable software on the internet, basically which is completely open source, and this tool is used to compress the files so that you can put everything in one file, and it can be packed and unpacked on various ways. If you can see, right, this supports packing and unpacking only on the various formats. So this is also one of the top downloadable software across the internet. And if you can see, right, the search terms for 7-Zip, if you can see, right, it is almost touching almost like 100% most of the time. If you can see, right, 90, at least it is touching 90%, more than 90% most of the time. And the seventh top downloadable software, which is GIMP, GIMP. So this is a software which is a free source, which is a free and open source software which is meant for image editing purposes, and this is being used millions of people every day. And this is one of the best tool, which is an open source tool, especially for editing the images. And if you can see, right, the search terms also, if you can say, right, it touches all the time more than 75%. If you can imagine that, like millions of people uses this software day in day out. Eighth top software which is getting downloaded on the internet is OBS Studio. So OBS Studio is meant for video recording and live streaming. So normally if you would like to record your video or you wanted to do a live streaming, and this is one of the best software which is available on the internet and which is completely free and which is a completely open source software to perform a video recording and a live streaming. And this software which is available across Windows, Mac and Linux as well. See the Google search terms earlier around beginning of the 2020. So the search terms were quite low. Now if you are able to see post February, or if you can see, right, post March, this is being getting used across the world. at very high level. It is touching almost the searchable term OBS Studio, which is touching more than 70. If you can imagine that, this is one of the best software, especially if you are performing a video recording or a video live stream. Ninth position, the software which is getting downloaded more often on the internet is OpenOffice. So OpenOffice, which is an alternative for Microsoft Office, and Microsoft Office comes with a licensed version, but this Office, which is OpenOffice, which is completely free and which is completely open source software. If you can see here, right, there are already around 300 millions of downloads, which is already downloaded for this OpenOffice. If you can imagine that so many people are downloading this software, you can imagine the popularity of this software. Also, if you can see on the Google Trends, this is also touching more than 50% of the search terms every day across the world. Top 10th software which is getting downloaded on the internet, which is Avast free antivirus software. Avast is a free antivirus software which is a very lightweight and intuitive protection powered by community over of 400 million people. It is 400 millions of people are already using this Avast antivirus. You can imagine how much the big consumer base this software which is having. They are providing completely free of cost for the beginners, and they will have a paid version for other purposes, but you can use this as a free software for virus protection in your computers. 11th top searchable software on the internet is XNView. XNView image viewer. This is one of the top downloadables, especially this software is used for image resizers, batch image converters, and many more. If you can see here, right, it is a completely a free image viewer which you can use to open and edit your photo file. And this image viewer supports various formats of an image. That is the beauty of this software, and which is completely a free software which you can download and use it on your desktop or your mobile. And this also supports across all the platforms, Windows, Mac, and Linux. And top 12th software which is getting downloaded on the internet is Paint.net. The Paint.net, which is being used to edit your images and photos on your PC. Especially this is supported on a Windows platform, and this is being downloaded very frequently on the internet, and this is coming on 12th position. In 13th place, the most popular DJ software which is getting downloaded from internet is Virtual DJ. The Virtual DJ is the most popular #1 DJ software, especially for audio and video mixing functionality, and this is one of the top searchable softwares, especially in the audio and video mixing space. If you can see here, right, the searchable terms which is crossing more than 50% on the internet. Top 14th position, the software which is getting downloaded is Specky. Specky is the 14th top downloadable software. So basically this is a fast and lightweight advanced system information tool for your PC, and using this software you can identify all the details which is available in your computer or your PC. It gives complete detailed report about all the information which is available on your computer. See if you can see, right, summary, what is your operating system, CPU details, RAM details, motherboard. So it provides all the information which is available in the PC, and this software is also getting downloaded more often on the internet, If you can see, right, the searchable term for this word is also touching more than 75% on the most of the time, and this is coming in the 14th position, which is getting downloaded on the internet. The 15th and the last but not least software which is getting popularly downloaded on the internet is VLC Media Player. So VLC Media Player, which is used for playing the most of the multimedia files such as DVDs, audio CDs, VCDs, and various stream protocols. The VLC is completely a free and open source software and which is completely free. This is can be used across all the platforms. There, if you can see, right, there it is a Windows. We have Linux, we have mobile, Android, iOS. The VLC Media Player supports across all the platforms. And if you can see, the searchable term for this VLC Media Player is also touching more than 70% most of the time. And this is also one of the top searchable keywords as well as the more frequently downloaded software on the internet. So now you guys are able to get and clear an idea which are the 15 softwares which is being used more frequently on most of the desktops or PCs or mobiles, that is used most frequently across the globe, and also which is getting downloaded very frequently on the internet. I am hoping this video was very useful for you guys, where I clearly called out all the top 15 softwares which is getting downloaded more frequently and which is being used across the globe very often. I'm hoping you guys really enjoyed watching this video. If you really enjoyed watching this video, then please click on like button. And if you guys are not subscribed to our channel, then please click on subscribe and bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.